Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Ido from Fixing WP is here, and in today's video I have a special one for you requested by many, and I will show you how to create a user registration form with Elementor without using an external add-on or extension. Alright, so this is a sample page I created specifically for this tutorial, and we would like to add an Elementor form without the use of external plugin or add-on in order to register new user to our website. Right, so it's fairly simple. I will show you exactly how to do that. First of all, let's start by creating a new section, and into this section we will add the form widget, just like so. Now we need to name the form in a specific way. It doesn't really matter how you call it. You just need to match the function that we'll later on paste in our functions.php file. So because the function file has the name of new user registration, I will call it that way also because it need to match new user registration, just like so. Great. And we can have as many fields as we want. However, 3 fields need to be mandatory, which is the email, the username, and the password. So first of all, let's create the non-mandatory fields. We can call it first name, just like so. It will be text. Placeholder can be also first name. We'll create last name, just like so. Also will be text type. The email address will stay as is, and it's required. We can also create, it's a must, create a username. Will be a text type. We'll call it username. And over here we'll call it username as well. And the last one will be password. So we can expand this message and just replace it to password over here. That's also required. And we'll give it a name, password, and placeholder. Either select your password, set your password, or just password. There you go, just like so. Great, so now the form is ready. Those 3 fields are mandatory. We can show it to them. There you go. We have the asterisk over here. And now we'll go to actions after submit. We can remove everything here. And we can create a redirect rule that will take them to the login page right after they register. So the login page, if you have a custom one, that's great. You can enter it here. Otherwise, just wp-login.php. There you go, just like so. And we'll publish it. Now we can visit the page, and this is the registration form. Now what we need to do, we go to the back end of our website and into the theme file editor and into the functions.php file of our theme or child theme, whichever theme you are using. Right, we'll scroll all the way to the bottom, and then we will copy and paste this function. I will leave it in the description box down below. Okay, it's very simple function. It's pretty much grabbing the data from the form and create a user based on the data it grabbed. We'll do update file. Alright, great. Let's go to the users and see the users list that we have right now. As we can see, there is only one user, who is pretty much me, which is the one I'm using. But we'd like to test it and see if it's working as it should. So we'll grab the link. We'll go using an incognito window and into the sample page, which is the page that's hosting the form. There you go. Let's test it. Test number 1, username test1. It doesn't really matter the email you put in, example@gmail.com, and we'll set the password to be 12345. All right, let me copy the email so we can see if we can log in. So once you register, it directs you straight to the login page where you can put your username or email address. And the password will be 12345 because we just set it. Log in, and we are logged in into WordPress, which means it created the user for us, which is perfect. Now we'll go back to our demo site, and here inside the users list, we will refresh the page to see that the new user was added successfully, which is great. Now if you want to make it even better, go back to the form, go to the advanced tab and into the display condition, and only display it if the user is logged out, and then it will only be displayed to logged out user and not to logged in. Alright guys, so that was our tutorial for today. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you can use it with your own website because creating registration forms with Elementor was something that you most definitely needed an extension or an add-on, and you don't need that anymore after using and watching this tutorial. That's what exactly we're doing at Fixing WP. We are specializing in everything WordPress and Elementor or whatever you guys need. If you need any custom development on your website, definitely reach out to us at fixingwp.com. And please also like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel because there are more great videos on your way. We'll see you all in the next video. Bye.